guys, today I'm going to show you how to draw Angry Bird. So first off, you want to start with like almost a circle. Not exactly a circle, but like close. Like, okay, there. So copy that. Then you wanna, yeah. So yeah, that's the beak. So let's color these. Red. These two are yellow. Next is the eyes. Now first off, well, Angry is angry, so you want to do like an angry, you know what I mean? Like an angry, that's not right. So like you do like a kind of like this, and like they're actually connected, so there. Then yeah, so there. So you do the eyes. So there. So that's part 1. So part 2 is to do this. So you like draw like a weird half circle inside the circle, and then you do that. So yeah. So then the next thing is to like, I know it sounds kind of weird, but like give them like blushes. I don't know how else to describe them, so I'm calling them blushes. So blushes, you keep drawing these like circles. So, oh, sorry guys, I forgot to draw it in fully. Okay, so that's it. And oh, sorry about that, guys. What the? Okay. Okay. Like this, yes. Then you color that. Color it outside, guys. Okay, color that. Okay, now. So that's how you draw Angry Birds. Thank you so much for watching my video. Subscribe and like for more drawing tutorials. Bye guys.